Hello guys, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we are going to look into example 12 from chapter 5 called arithmetic progression. So let's see what exactly is given in example 12. Now moving on to example 12, it is given that if the sum of the first 14 terms of an AP is 1050 and its first term is 10, find the 20th term. That means as per the question they have given us the sum of the terms of an AP and we need to find out the 20th term. So let's see how we can make this calculation. Moving on to the solution. So guys, as per the question, it is given that the first 14 terms of an AP, the sum of the first 14 terms of an AP is 1050 and its first term is 10. That means, and we need to find out the 20th term. So let us first put down the things that we have in place, or it is given like n is equal to 14. They have given S14 because sum of the first 14 terms is 1050 and they have also given the first term value, that is 10, and we need to find out the value of A20. So that's what they have given. Now we know very well the formula, the sum of the arithmetic progression formula. We have 2Sn is equal to n into A1 plus An. So guys, here n is 14. Now let us replace the things here first and find out the value of A14 we will be getting. Okay, so now if I like here S14 is 1050, so that means I can write 2 into 1050 is equal to 14 into 10 plus An, or I can write 2100 is equal to 140 plus this An is nothing but this is A14 guys. So because here everything is for 14, so 140 plus A14, 14 into A14, so 14 into A14, or I can write 14A14 is equal to 2100. I can write 14A14 is equal to 2100. 14A14 is equal to 2100 minus 140, that is equal to 1960. Or I can write A14 is equal to 1960 by 14, that is equal to, after solving this I am getting, if I solve 1960 into 14, 456, so I'm getting 140. So guys, now we are able to find out the value of A14. So we got A14 is 140, and after solving this equation we are able to find out the value of A14 is 140. Now what we need to do in order to find out the value of A20, first of all we need to find out the value of D, because common difference is required. Without common difference we cannot move ahead. So what I am going to do here is that I will moving on to our old formula, like An is equal to, or let me put it here, yeah, An is equal to A1 plus n minus 1 into D. So why I'm writing An is equal to A1 plus n minus 1 into D, so that we require this D value. Once we get the D value, then it would be easy for us to find out the value of the A20. Now A14, so A14 I can write A14 is equal to A1 plus 14 minus 1 into D, or I can write A14, we got the A14 value as 140, so I can write 140 is equal to A1, we know the value of A1 is 10, plus 14 minus 1 is nothing but 13D, or I can write 13D is equal to 140 minus 10, that is equal to 13, or D is equal to that is equal to 130, or D is equal to 130 by 13. that is equal to 10. So guys, we are able to find out the value of d here. So now again we are going to use the formula like A20. I can write an is equal to I can write an is equal to a1 into a1 into a1 plus, sorry guys, a1 plus n minus 1 into d. Now here a1 is nothing but a20, because we are going to find out the a20th value. So a1 we know 10 plus n is 20 minus 1 into d. D value is 10. So I can write a20 is equal to, so now I can write a20 is equal to 10 plus 19d, sorry, 19 into 10, because if I multiply, so that is equal to 10 plus 190, that is equal to 200. So guys, we are able to find the value of A20 as 200. So that's all guys, because as per the question we need to find out the value of A20, and we are able to find out the value of the A20. So we can write, therefore the value of the 20th term is 200. That's all guys. If you, I believe you understand this calculation, because by this time you would be easily understanding this calculation. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, you can reach out to me in the comment section of the video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.